Bom, gente, finalizando, tudo que aqui foi visto e ouvido não pode estar associado ou desassociado de uma visão mais globalizada. Esse caos a que eu me referi tanto aqui, ele pode ser muito maior, ele pode ter uma dimensão muito maior. Recentemente, eu tive a oportunidade de fazer uma viagem que me foi propiciada pelo pessoal da Remaster, Interflor, inclusive o senhor Jubilu está aqui presente, tá certo? E nessa viagem eu tive a oportunidade de travar conhecimento com o senhor Ray Anderson. Ele é o senhor da Interface Floor. E como ele próprio vai dizer aqui, vocês vão ver, não vou mais massacrar vocês, é o último, mas eu acho que vale a pena, é para encerrar esse, tá certo? Ele fala um pouco de coisas que a gente tem ouvido, tá certo? O nosso candidato a presidente dos Estados Unidos vem falando muito e tal, mas é uma visão do político, é uma preocupação fundada, mas a gente fica sempre desconfiado porque vem de um político. Mas vocês vão ver aqui um empresário que faz meia-culpa, se confessa e acusa os seus pares. E chama para essa realidade que vocês vão ver. Achei emocionante, minha cabeça virou depois disso. São 40 minutos, mas nós resumimos para 3 minutos, é uma pena, mas quem quiser eu posso mandar depois a peça inteira para que vocês possam ver exatamente toda a palestra dele, mas o pouco que vocês vão ver já vai chocar bastante e vai realmente mexer com a cabeça da gente.
The modern corporation has grown out of the industrial age. The industrial age began in 1712 when an Englishman named Thomas Newcomen invented a steam-driven pump to pump water out of the English coal mines so the English coal miners could get it more coal to mine rather than hauling buckets of water out of the mine. It was all about productivity, more coal per man hour. That was the dawn of the industrial age, and then it became more steel per man hour, more textiles per man hour, more automobiles per man hour, and today it's more chips per man hour, more gizmos per man hour. The system is basically the same, producing more sophisticated products today. The typical company of the 20th century, extractive, wasteful, abusive, linear in all of its processes, taking from the earth, making, wasting, sending its products back to the biosphere, waste to a landfill. I myself was amazed to learn just how much stuff the earth has to produce through our extraction process to produce $1 of revenue for our company. When I learned, I was flabbergasted. We're leaving a terrible legacy of poison and diminishment of the environment for our grandchildren's grandchildren, generations not yet born. Some people have called that intergenerational tyranny, a form of taxation without representation levied by us on generations yet to be. One day early in this journey, it dawned on me that the way I've been running Interface is the way of the plunderer. Plundering something that's not mine, something that belongs to every creature on earth. And I said to myself, my goodness, the day must come when this is illegal, that when plundering is not allowed. I mean, it must come. So I said to myself, my goodness, someday people like me will end up in jail. Do I know you well enough to call you fellow plunderers? There is not an industrial company on earth, not an institution of any kind, not mine, not yours, not anyone's, that is sustainable. I stand convicted by me, myself alone, not by anyone else, as a plunderer of the earth. but not by our civilization's definition. By our civilization's definition, I'm a captain of industry, in the eyes of many a kind of modern-day hero, but really, the first industrial revolution is flawed, it is not working, it is unsustainable, it is the mistake. And we must move on to another and better industrial revolution and get it right this time. When I think of what could be, I visualize an organization of people committed to a purpose. And the purpose is doing no harm. I see a company that has severed the umbilical cord to earth for its raw materials, taking raw materials that have already been extracted and using them over and over again, driving that process with renewable energy. It is our plan, it remains our plan to climb Mount Sustainability, that mountain that's higher than Everest, infinitely higher than Everest, far more difficult to scale. That point at the top symbolizing zero footprint.
Não há pegada humana lá nesse morro. Fim, aqui, na certeza de que todo fim é um recomeço e esperança é o que resta para a gente. Obrigado a todos vocês.